Today's corporate structure is often a spaghetti of processes, structures, and behavior that is affecting your goals and your customer satisfaction. Your customers are already globalized, while you are still struggling with micromanaging the local interests. It is hard to manage and control the entities from a corporate perspective and strategy. Have a look at your organization. You probably have a mixture of legal structures, where local entities have formed into their own islands and subcultures. Each entity has designed or customized its own processes. This spaghetti of processes, structures, and cultures leads to sub-optimization. Our core business concept recreates your business model and makes your company manageable while significantly reducing overhead costs. Instead of having multiple sets of processes, systems, people, and organizational structures, you will get one single set of these. You can imagine the benefits of having only one set of tools, one entity to serve all your customers, one way of working, one shared identity, clear accountability, shared knowledge and learning. The core business concept brings you standardization, simplification, and centralization in processes, structure, and culture. A phased approach will structure the transition from current state to end state. Processes. By redesigning and standardizing your processes and ways of working, we create a basis to start sharing and centralizing activities. Core functions can now be centralized, and slack in all the different entities can be cut away. Structure. Along with the processes, the structure will be improved in a number of key areas. IT. With one way of working, you have enabled the use of only one ERP platform and one set of tools on top of the ERP system. IT maintenance costs can be reduced when you compare one versus multiple platforms and programs. Legal entities and tax. By utilizing today's transfer pricing laws, the need for local administrations has disappeared. One substantiated set of transfer pricing documentation gives you the benefit to simplify your tax compliance. Combine this with simplifying your legal structure to optimize this benefit. Clear accountability and reporting. One way of working, one chart of accounts, one data model, one data repository, one entity. Management reporting is now multidimensional, real-time, and comparable. With one entity, intercompany transactions and consolidation are no longer applicable. Culture. When your organization works with one set of processes and in one structure, you have created the basis for one culture, one identity to serve your global customers, one shared goal, and one basis for learning and continuous improvement. Congratulations! Now you have your core business concept realized. You truly have a sustainable competitive advantage, and you will see why this concept is so important. You can spend more time on improving your core functions and products. Your net profit has increased. You have reduced non-core costs. Your IT, legal, and tax structure are simplified. Your management information is structured, real-time, and in-depth. You can learn from your structured information and steer accordingly. Who will benefit from this in the end? Your customers. Your customers will see one identity wherever in the world. They see the basis for a long-term sustainable relationship where they can expect you to improve every day. The next steps: utilize the core business concept for further growth. People, systems, organizations, and processes are ready-made and available for expansion into new markets. Growing your company has become a lot easier. New areas can be explored with standardized processes and rollout scripts. Want to know more about Core Business Concept? Contact us for more information. corebusinessconcept.com